friends. Welcome back to Bible Stories 1989, where we share amazing stories from the Bible just for you. Today, we're going to hear a tiny story Jesus told about something super small that grows into something big. It's called the mustard seed. Are you ready? Let's dive in. One day, Jesus was teaching a big crowd of people. He loved telling stories to help them understand God's kingdom. You know, God's special way of loving and caring for us. So he smiled and said, "The kingdom of heaven is like a mustard seed." Now, a mustard seed is tiny. It's so small you could almost miss it, like a little speck. Jesus said, "Imagine a man takes this tiny seed and plants it in his field. That's it, just one little seed. But here's the amazing part. That tiny mustard seed doesn't stay small. Nope. It starts to grow. First, a little green sprout pops out of the ground. Then, it gets taller and taller with big green leaves. And guess what? It keeps growing until it becomes a huge planter mustard tree. Jesus said, even though it starts as the smallest seed, it grows so big that birds can come and rest in its branches. Can you picture that? A little seed turns into a tree, so strong and tall that birds make their homes in it. Pretty cool, right? So why did Jesus tell this story? He wanted us to know that God's kingdom might start small like a little seed of love or kindness, but it can grow into something big and wonderful. Just like that mustard seed, even the smallest things we do for God, like helping a friend or saying a prayer, can grow and grow. So, next time you feel small, or think what you do doesn't matter, remember the mustard seed. God can take even the tiniest bit of faith and turn it into something amazing. Thanks for joining me today on Bible Stories 1989. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this story with your friends. See you next time for another awesome Bible adventure.